Noong 2012 Mercedes, ayaw start, mababa na. Check natin yung mga fuse. Ganun pa rin, ayaw umandar. Okay naman yung mga fuse. Okay, ang relay niya okay naman. Tetest natin ngayon kung gagana yung starter, yung switch niya. Okay, go, start. Yan, nag-red. Off. On. Okay, good. Off. Can you start again? Okay, off. Okay. Good, brother. Yep, that's good. Starter ng palitan.